Welcome back to the channel. Today, this thing is getting a wing. Maybe going like, ooh, dude, when'd you put that on? That's another video. Side skirts are on right now, fenders, front bumper. It's looking good so far. JD Customs was nice enough to have me test out their second version of the bracket, specifically for the Voltex style bumper. I'm digging it. It was a pretty easy install. It was more just making sure that all the measurements were on point. Measure 3 times, drill once. Drilling twice is not nice. I do have to bring this side in just a little bit more and a little bit up. But I'm not, other than that, not too worried about it. So the back side of the car is gonna be getting drilled. So that'll be the one of the last times that that trunk is bare. It's gonna have an OEM wing. I finally got a non-HID headlight. Those are a huge pain to find. It's looking good, man. I'm really happy. I'm really happy with it. It's about to get even more aggressive with the OEM style wing on the back, I think. I did have the Voltex V-mount for an Evo X, the wing that goes out to the side. Really big wing. I opted against using that one. I thought it was just a little much, and I think the OEM wing with the Duckbill trunk just goes a little harder. Slowly getting more room in the garage, getting all these pieces on. This is the wing. It's an OEM Evo 8. The ABS plastic on the 9s, they just tend to fold and break, and I didn't want that happening, so I'm waiting on my buddy John to come on over. It does look like it's gonna rain, so I may have to pull the car inside, which is gonna kind of suck because lighting is not all that great in the garage, but it works. Damn, who's that sexy motherfucker?
It's better than one shit box. 2.
Measurements, measurements. Sick. Yeah, it's not gonna rain, man. It's good.
Fine. Honest out here. We just push it in there. With all these carbon fiber parts, it's probably hella light.
Yeah.
I thought it was a lot quieter, to be honest.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, quieter? Yeah. With the cams, it's a lot louder now.
It's honestly not.
It was just that moment. It's a 3-hole 1, 2.
We'll put the wing on and make sure it lines up before we drill.
Where did I? Better not. Bring it up, please. I think I hit on the inside right there.
Yeah, just give me the chips for that.
Yeah. Go ahead and just leave it up just to see here. Fucking terrifying. Came out good. Step it up one by one.
You want to test fit it first? Let's see.
Yes, absolutely. You're right. Getting way too ahead of myself now. At least we know that it'll catch. You're in? I'm in. Say that looks pretty fucking good, man.
Yeah, it looks nice from right here, I can tell you that.
We'll be able to expand it out. Fucking send
Yeah,
the
it
whole
definitely
thing.
looks a lot better, I can tell you that.
Yeah. Measure 3 times, man. Cut once. Next size up.
That's not bad.
No, not at all. I'd say we're doing pretty good. We're gonna step it up one more size. Just a big ass hole that terrifies me in every single way and form. I'm gonna go ahead and say that probably cracked, but I'm alright with that.
You won't see it.
No.
I'm fine. Sounds like fun.
Sounds like a cracking time.
Alright, I guess it's the moment of truth now.
Lines up, yeah. First and foremost, these GoPro batteries are pretty dog doo-doo, but I think this goes fucking awesome with the car. Not a whole lot of cracking, not really much you can do with carbon fiber to really prevent it, but this looks awesome. The underside, did have to drill that out a little bit to get to that one. That's what we're about to do to that side real fast. Dude. Looks mean as fuck. Dude, this looks hard as fuck.
Look at it from here.
No, this looks great. Dude, thanks, man.
Hey, you're welcome.
We just had to make some minor, cuts. It's really all we had to do. I do not want to lose any of those bolts underneath the trunk. I need to get longer studs for the front side, but having these guys down, I shouldn't have an issue. It's pretty on there. But I think this looks absolutely fantastic. It's gonna go great when we put the rears on. This is my experience with carbon fiber, and drilling. It's my first time doing it, so I'm not expecting perfection, but I am expecting effort, and me and John absolutely put effort into it. So measured 3-4 times, cut once. That's what you gotta do. So I think it looks killer with the car. I always enjoyed a winged Evo. On a winged one, I think it just looks mean, especially with the duckbill to it. I think it just looks really good. I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna go throw the rears on. It's starting to get, weather's starting to turn for the worse outside, so just gonna stop that right here. Quick little upload for the week, and then hopefully next, or later this week, I'll be able to have the, hey, we have the whole wide body on the car. I appreciate you guys checking out the channel. Like and subscribe if you guys wanna see some more Evo content. Till next time.
This is Garnet, back together. And I'm never going down at the hands of the likes of you, because I'm so much better. And every part of me is saying, go get her.